At San Juan Water District, our goal is to deliver you reliable, high-quality water at a reasonable cost. Your rates are the primary funding source for our programs and services. Our rates have two charges: fixed charges and usage charges. The fixed charge is based on your water meter size and is intended to recover an equal share of the fixed costs of operating and maintaining the water system. The usage rate is based on a uniform water rate multiplied by your water use and is intended to cover the cost of obtaining, treating, and delivering clean water to your home or business. 90% of our revenue is from your rates. The remaining 10% is from property taxes, connection fees, and other revenue. Here is how your rate money is allocated. 37% goes to infrastructure-related expenses. Infrastructure is a term used to describe essential facilities, such as pipes, valves, pumps, and tanks. 26% goes toward current infrastructure. 6% is set aside for future infrastructure replacement, and 5% is for debt repayment. Close to 1/5 of all expenses goes to create and purchase clean, high-quality water. Operations, maintenance, and administrative services account for 45% of total expenses. 18% funds the meter reading, billing, water efficiency, finance, administrative, and customer service functions. The remaining 27% funds maintenance, repair, water quality testing, and engineering functions. Your water rates fund your community's water system. For more information, please visit sjwd.org/rates-and-fees or call 916-791-0115.